Well, guys, it is 5th week of turkey season here in Wisconsin. I just happen to have a tag, so we're going to get after it in the woods. Today is day 1 of 5th season. Devin and Austin are both going to tag along with me this afternoon. Devin's dad actually shot one this morning, so that's pretty cool. I had to work, but getting out after work, going to try to go see if we can get ourselves a big old gobbler down.
Howdy!
Howdy!
We're here.
Let's go kill a turkey, eh?
No kidding. I think are we waiting on Howie?
Yep, he'll be here in a minute. And
Beauty.
I'm gonna get in the woods.
Let's go kill one.
Keep
Make it quick and easy.
Keep the streak rolling,
Just
right?
Rolling. Keep rolling.
Let's get after it. Well, the big man showed up. Brought the luck. We're just watching turkey killing videos on here. The boys just stacking them up left and right. Woo! Man, oh man. Let's go get one.
Horseshoes with us.
The horseshoe's with us.
Go out there. We're gonna drive around. Then we're gonna kill one.
Oh, that sounds like a good plan.
And that's all there is to it.
Stay away. Stay away, Rain. Well, we started that off good, literally. Almost thought we were going to get our rear ends chewed up by some farmer. Just stopped and called and whoo! Oh, anyway, we got permission on it. if anything, so that's good. Should we go down here, you think? Take it right? Okay.
I know where bird is there.
Good start. Good start to the all afternoon there. But next spot, that's all it is here. It's calling, finding a hot bird. Once you find one, done deal. Hens going down here. Spitty had a tom goblin here yesterday night. Or actually this morning. Did you have this morning?
Huh?
This morning?
Yeah, this morning.
Oh, nice.
Right after that shot here.
So there's a couple hens back there, and I would assume that Tom's with those hens. But literally standing there, no lie, taking a leak. And how he's screwing around with his gobble call he's got. Talking about how good at gobbling he is with this thing. Sure as shit. That thing freaking hammers off like 100 yards away. So we're currently driving backwards. I'm probably gonna hit something.
Put it in reverse, Terry!
Hit somebody freaking coming the other way. But we're gonna get set up for this bird.
Something, you jerk.
He's running around.
Oh, really? Oh, he's coming. We gotta beat this storm, too. Yeah. Storm's blowing.
Oh, can you carry something faster?
Boys are buzzing. Got a bird gobbling. My lens is really dirty. The hot bike's gonna kill.
There's a bunch. Two of them. Way closer now. Hammered again.
Storm. Yeah, we gotta get going. We move up.
Yeah, let's keep moving up a little
Road's
bit.
right here.
Yeah. Oh, bring that. Yep.
They're coming
They're
down.
definitely gonna come. This scares me though.
This
This scares me a lot. Where we're set up.
Well, do you want to go?
I just don't know if they're gonna come through here.
Well, I'm thinking they might hang back this way.
Yeah, they are over here. They're this way. Yeah, they're over the hill over here. Yeah, on the road. You know what? Lay down. It's fine. Just stay building that way. It's fine. They're right in front of us. There's more to the left though. Okay. I don't know what that is, but it's a Tom. Yeah. Big Tom on the left. I'm on a hunt if you want to show up.
Heck yeah, dude. Watch that one. Nice shooting on. Dude, that was cool.
Hell yeah!
No! What did I do? I better not have missed that. I better not have missed that.
Spitty the filmer, good lord. Got him in the decoys with a shot.
Y'all better take your pictures quick, it's getting dark.
Well, we're gonna get a picture of this bird. Well, we got her done, boys! Oh my god. Spitty's camera time. Yeah, I know.
Oh no.
Here comes the rain. Woo!
Here.
But we got a dead chicken.
That's a nice one too.
Yeah, that's a huge bird.
Freaking nice bird.
It's a damn nice bird. You about to get in a battle with a turkey.
Yeah, there was
Or
for
was
sure
there more
3 toms, 1
back
Jake,
further?
the 1 hen that was like 8 yards away. So, hell yeah. Got it done. 5th season, right off the decoy. Spitty, Spitty got film of him in the decoy. That's all we got. But they turned and started coming. They started kind of just running back down the trail here. The one picked his head up perfect, made a good shot, rolled him. And there he is. Tag is
bird.
filled.
I'm telling you, better. We'll just hold on.
The NATO's about to roll in here.
Holy oaks.
Is there?
Probably the bites, I like the honey traps a way better.
Really?
30 minutes on the dot. I bet you my camera unrolls or turns itself, like shuts itself off at 30 minutes, regardless if it's filming or not. It's 30 minutes on the dot. Nothing.
That sucks.
So stupid.
Oh well. Hey, that's filming hunts right there.
That pisses me off. Drives me nuts.
Oh man, that's all right. That's all right. Still got him. Got it done.
Bird.
Well, what do you have to say, Hunt?
Hey, we got her done 5th season. First day out, piled one up, had 3 toms come in. Hey, if the footage doesn't work out, that's all right. But
We got most of it.
pouring, we beat the storm. Thunder's
Oh my God,
rolling
you
in the
smell
background.
Yep.
This is a beautiful bird for northern Wisconsin.
Sweet bird.
Yeah. We better get back to the truck.
Yes. You got it, man. I got it. I'm so mad. How stupid though? Why is that even a setting? How does that happen? Why would it fall 30 minutes on the dot when those birds finally decide to make their... You're gonna steal the show. Dude, when those birds first stepped onto the trail, I'm like, holy, that one's huge. It's just like, ooh. Mega chicken. Let's get out of here.
It feels good having a chicken on your back. That's all I like.
Dang right.
God, that's awesome. I love turkey.
I know.
Nuts too, for that many to come in.
All of a sudden I'm looking, there's a bird walking to the right, and I'm like, okay, it's a tom. You can see the beard. It wasn't a very big bird.
I said, remember, I told you, I'm like, they're coming from the left. I saw the two that were going to come
And
out.
like, bullshit, they're coming from the right. They're right here.
Yeah. And you're like, no, from the right. I'm like, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, like,
and that was a tom, and I was gonna say to shoot that one because it had a rope on it. Like
yeah.
it is a big beard.
That was bigger than this one, I think, because that was the one that came out in the back of these other two. And I was looking at it compared to these two. I'm like, that one almost seems a little bigger. Hell yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome to do this stuff with the boys. Get everybody out in the woods. Get a bird on the ground. Beat the storm. Tagged out. Holy cow, it's getting dark.
Gnarly dark.
Well,
Temperature too, it's
yeah,
like cool.
Yeah, good call.
That's crazy. Well, when it happens, and that just seems like what turkey hunting's all about. Is you're either gonna get on them right away and they're gonna come work in, or it's gonna take some time to get on one. But it is what it is, and that's hunting.
Crazy.
Yeah, crazy stuff.
Yeah, crazy part is you had that hen going, but nothing gobbled, nothing gobbled. We were about to leave.
Yep.
And then I figured I'd gobble a little bit. Freaking lit off, and then there's birds everywhere.
And then there's...
Yeah, that just fired them up.
Jesus.
So, it's getting black. We're gonna get out of here, guys, and hope you liked that video. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.